Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno 3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings, and from here scroll down to additional settings. Backup and reset, and at the bottom you'll find erase all data factory reset, and then tap on erase all data right here. Erase all data, and the process will begin. Now this will take a couple of minutes, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I will see you once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.